Good day, my people. Good day. Today, a news just came in. It's all about our brother Ekweremadu. Ekweremadu is now a very big target of the. I will not call only Ekweremadu. You know, all all the southeast politicians who are operating under the flag of Nigeria are now full target of the British Secret Service. British Secret Service are now very active in Nigeria. As you can remember, yesterday I posted a video made by Governor Wike as he was addressing his people about the so-called plot that the Nigerian police are trying to set him up to do one thing or the other. Nobody knows what they are really after. Today, the breaking news: Ekweremadu is next, and mainly looking at all the whole people being targeted by this organization operating in Nigeria is all those people that rally around to see the secure of the Nnamdi Kanu release. As they said, Ekweremadu organized the whole Southeast senators, and he made them to understand the need for Nnamdi Kanu to be bailed within that 48 hours. Ekweremadu played a very powerful role. And now, as British said, the High Commissioner of the British government in Nigeria said that British would never be alive and see Nigeria divide. They did not say that thing alone. We the Africans, we think that when somebody or white people say something, it's like our own. When we say it, we forget it, we take it as common. They take nothing as common. If British government says we will never be alive to see Nigeria disintegrate or Nigeria to separate, they mean it and they mean business. If you understand the types of resources or the type of budget that British are budgeting because of the resources in Nigeria, British is broke. British has nothing. British can only breathe today because of Nigeria. And telling the world that the people where British are getting their source of income, the Queen is living very well, their budget is being, everything is being run perfectly in England, is because of the concoction called Nigeria. All the whole people who are rallying around, it's like after the bail of Nnamdi Kanu, they have now pinpointed those who they may claim that are behind the Nnamdi Kanu agitation. Ekweremadu, a setup. And this setup, Nigerians think that it is the Nigerian police that are operating on their own. It is a very big lie. The British Secret Service, MI6 and MI5, are active in Nigeria now, working tirelessly day and night to make sure that there is nothing like Biafra tomorrow. And we Biafrans, everybody is just relaxing, just keep calm. Ekweremadu now is a new target. Ekweremadu, the news that just came in, police raided his house in Abuja, and they wanted to plant heavy sum of amount of money in all currencies. They are operating with EFCC, and they want to plant those with heavy ammunition, heavy equipment. They want to plant it in his house, guns, granite, everything to fight a war, so that they will be able to indict him. This brain is not coming from Nigeria alone. This brain is the British are trying to weaken all the whole Eastern region politicians operating under the Nigeria umbrella. If you guys doesn't know it, you better know it now. And the only thing that can safeguard these guys today is for them to identify themselves as the indigenous people, as Biafrans, being occupied by Nigeria with the help of British. You know, if they don't do that, these British people may succeed either taking their lives or rendering them useless. Now it's dollar and pounds and all sorts of foreign currency is what is running now, plotting it, putting it in people's house to destroy their image and their ability to operate. You know, tomorrow they will tell you they have gone to Ekweremadu house. He was supporting Nnamdi Kanu, that this is equipment, military equipment that he was hiding in his place that he wanted to use to sponsor Biafra war. All these things are propaganda lie. You know, and if you people knows who, if you have contact of these our politicians, they say that nobody knows everything. We may think that they are politicians, they know more than us. It is a lie. They are operating in fear inside our nation. We can also help them by advising them. Identify yourself as a Nwafibo, a Biafran from eastern region of Nigeria, being occupied by the forces of British and Nigeria, the Hausa Fulanis. That is the only thing that will save these our politicians, that the little ones we have in power today. The remaining ones, even the one Yoruba man just said yesterday that their committee, their duty in Nigeria is to share the position of every political appointee. And all the whole political appointee that was made for Southeast, Buhari have given it out to Fulani people. And close his ears that he doesn't want to listen to what they're saying. They say that they share the whole resources, the whole appointee. This one is for the north, this one is for the west, this one is for east, and the ones for the east is now occupied by Fulanis. Now the cabals that are operating with Buhari are now working with MI5, MI6 of the British intelligence, working day and night to make sure that Biafra will not come. To make sure, because they know the type of pressure, they have seen the type of heavy ideology that Igbos are carrying now, that they want to pull out of Nigeria. And they said it. They won't be alive to allow Biafra to go. And we just fold our arms, our senators, our politicians, even though the governors of Eastern, all the whole independent politicians, and I'm not talking of the ones they planted, because there are ones that the cabals and the Fulanis and British planted in Eastern region to destabilize the Eastern region. But today, the indigenous people are now gradually taking power gradually, and now they are trying to figure them out, identify them, and eliminate all of them. So it will be for our help to, if you have the numbers of these politicians, the independent politicians like Ekweremadu, like Wike, like governor of Abia State, you know, and I don't know Enugu State, I will not be 100% sure, because Enugu State, that man is very cunning, you know, he's also like planted by the cabals, because after the herdsmen assassinated all the whole Enugu State people, none of their cow, nor dog, nor whatever is under detention today. That is the way to identify those that are working for the cabals, because they will tell their people, calm down, God will take care. When will God take care? You know? So call these guys, tell them, identify yourself for Nigeria to know your stand. So that they will know that anything they are doing, people will say, because he said that he's a Biafran, that is now why Nigeria is after him. But if you keep quiet, pretending not to belong to Biafra, while you are nyash and the mind, everything belong where your people belong, and you are eating with the devil, they will come after you to destroy you. You know? So that is why I'm making this video, to enlighten our people that this is now the strategy 2.0 or 5.0 Operation Disarm the Eastern Region from the political position in Nigeria. And our people are there folding their arms. They don't know what to do. We are outside. We are seeing what is happening. We know how these guys operate. We know how they do their things. It is our duty to talk to them so that if any of their cousin or whatever listen to what we are saying today, they will be able to inform them. The forces that are operating that is after you is not the forces in Nigeria. It is forces from the royal palace of England. The same people that worked against Ojukwu and against the liberation of Biafra are now very active in Nigeria again. Every serviceman have been reactivated and they are now back on duty. Operation Destroy the Biafra. That is the game now. And they believe that every fund and everything that is coming supporting this agitation is coming from the political hub. Political hub, what do they see? They look around. They see those they planted. The ones they planted, their area is being protected. But the indigenous ones that are not with them, they are now after them. And the elites are there putting fingers on their mouth and thinking, do you think that you can win these guys alone? No. Together with your people, you will stand. Distancing yourself from your people, then you will be a target to the predator. You know? So if you have anything to add, call on this number. Either you call German line or you call the US line or you reach us on Skype. Let me add the Skype line, or you type Miro African TV on your Skype. You will find us. You will find me. You will be able to call in. We need a collective idea, the best way to secure the little political powers that we have in that nation. Because this agitation we are the people agitating today, and all the whole movement that is going on in terms of the liberation of Biafra from Nigeria cannot work without any political backup. And these guys have shown that they are with us by this bail of Nnamdi Kanu. You know, we insulted them. We said a lot of things against them. They keep quiet. They did not go after us. But if you just blow your nose, and maybe where you're blowing your nose, something like Buhari came out, at the airport in Nigeria, they will turn you one corner and you become a victim that you insulted the president who is in power. But our people now, due to they gave Nnamdi Kanu this 48 hours and this unbearable bail that they placed on that guy, Nigeria and British was surprised how this thing happened like film. They did it. They thought that he would not make it. They thought that the political elites would distance themselves, that Nnamdi Kanu would not be able to make it and he would die in prison. But they were surprised. The whole elite, the whole political elite, that senators that we thought that they are against us, just went in Eastern region and have a closed door meeting. Before you know it, things happen. And Nigeria and British were shocked because of what happened. What are they doing now? Is Operation Stop, Operation Destroy, Operation Disarm, Operation Blockade, to block this Biafran agitation by destroying all the whole political tools that we have. If you have room to call in, please call in, bring your idea, because I'm not the wisest man on planet. I can only say a little that I can, and the remaining thing, others will add something that will be able to help our people to be free, because these our political elites have shown support where Nnamdi Kanu is. You know? Because imagine bail, everybody who is coming to participate on this bail, we invest 1 million naira. How many million naira? And Nigeria, I think that is impossible. Even inviting a foreigner to come and participate in bailing of Nnamdi is absurd. It's inhuman. But all those things are being planted on Igbo's head. Yorubas are keeping quiet upon that their shoes are penning them. Their stool that Fulani gave to them is not even conducive for them to relax. But they just take their tongue or their mouth and close their tongue, just keep quiet, and they are dying in agony. Igbo people are people who you cannot use your hand to cover an Igbo man. He will explode. Placing him under control, you are doing yourself. You know? So the only thing that we can do is to rally around, give our people support. These political elites that supported the release of Nnamdi Kanu, we need to reach them by whatever, anything. If you have their contact, tell them that Mirror Africa operating from German said that what is after them is not Nigerian politics or the cabal. It is the MI6 that want to stop Biafran agitation and Biafra being released or get out of So, my people, that's all I have for you today. If you have any support, you can call in at any time. I will come back online, and God bless you.